Starting off with the things, how are you guys? To my viewers who are watching this, Anoop, Sivan, they're partners with our Trivandrum chapter. They've very recently opened up their stores. We have inaugurated on what date, Anoop?
15th last month.
15th last month. So that has been a post lockdown. That has been obviously a very unique experience, to be precise. And frankly speaking, the store will be including the videos of how the store looks and how the quality of products that they have been delivering for a long time now. It has been a fantastic experience as per the franchisee, franchisor of Detailing Mafia. For us as a franchisor of Detailing Mafia, it has been a fantastic experience to see how the store has come up in Trivandrum. And Anoop, Sivan, and the other partners have done a really good job.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
And delivering it. Anoop and Sivan, what got you guys interested in this detailing industry as a whole?
So basically, it's like now we were actually thinking of starting something which is not available in our city.
Right.
So basically, it was like we three are too much interested in cars, automotive. We are all engineers, so it will be like that, right? So we were like doing a 2-year homework on what to do on our city, because right now in our city we don't have any competition, as you know.
Yeah.
So we need to give our people proper detailing, because they have sophisticated cars. They buy cars for lakhs and lakhs of rupees of money. Some buy for crores. But if your city doesn't have a proper detailer, how will they detail? And it is actually like for us, it was a business pitch. So that was the decision we had to take. Okay, we need to start this, or we have to search for something else. And from that ideology, we thought of we need to find something more interesting, and it should be accessible to people, and we have to provide that much quality to the people also. That should be our predominant consideration. People shouldn't come to us saying that your job is not good. You should do remarkable job, and you need a brand value. So that was the kind of thought I had in the initial stage.
Right.
We contacted many people, and we while checking their reviews, we came to know that their review is not that good. But I happened to see Detailing Mafia in the internet, and I happened to see that your reviews are totally outstanding. Okay, so I thought of bringing this to my town and to give this service to people in reasonable period of time and best service. Okay, this is what I expected, and somehow it happened. So it was actually a part of dream for every one of us, and it is a proud moment for us.
Superb. So that's one of the reasons why you decided to opt for Detailing Mafia, right? So, and the response of the consumers there who have been to your stores for now?
Yeah, most of the people know Detailing Mafia, because Detailing Mafia is so good. They already know it, but they don't know. Yeah, see, when we talked yesterday, I told you that people didn't still know about Detailing Mafia came to Trivandrum. So we are also working on that part on our side also, as well as I need a support from the company side also.
By all means.
And we need to get into people more. Okay, that's how it should go, right? Then only we can give them proper service. Anyway, we don't have any competition, but we have to seize this market, right?
So,
that's
for my viewers watching, let me just give you a brief about how Trivandrum came into fruition for us. It has been a long journey for Anoop and his team. to finalize the site in Trivandrum and start up the business. So
as you already know, you I think you joined in the halfway, right? After discussion and everything happened, you joined Man Machine, right? For us, it's like we already confirmed the location at Trivandrum city, and eventually it came to be like, that the place is not that it is totally congested. We can't do a proper detailing mafia thing in here. So that's the reason we switched the location and took a whole building, and right now I think we are one of the biggest stores in India, right, for detailing mafia, right? Yeah. So we dreamed it in this way, because if we are doing something, we have to do the best. We don't have to make it down. I don't want to spoil the company's reputation by putting a small store in Trivandrum. It doesn't work, because it's our dream. Dream should happen in a better way than what we dreamt, right? It's how it should be. So that is the main thing happened. And secondly, detailing mafia has a very good see what I can say. It's a very good caliber in providing decent service to people, which I need to run it in here, and that is gonna be one of my best priorities right now.
Yeah, so let me just acknowledge this thing for my viewers who are watching, and people who are intrigued about how we work and what Detailing Mafia Trivandrum chapter is all about. I can assure myself, because it hasn't been an easy journey for anybody. COVID, everything has been so tough for last
of course,
not couple of months, but for almost 2 years now. And you signed the store almost 1.5 years back. We finalized 2 sites, and then somehow that things didn't work out. And eventually, when we finalized the site, we thought about starting off, and the second wave hit, and things were really tough. I'd like to acknowledge the whole team of Trivandrum. They have been very, very headstrong. They have worked their butts off in getting the store ready, and the interiors look phenomenal. The site looks really nice, and the kind of quality they have opened very recently. And even though they have been very, very new to this business, we have done trainings and all those things. The kind of quality they are delivering for the cars and all, obviously we'll be attaching a lot of videos about the same. It has been very, very good. You can be rest assured, people who are going to Trivandrum, that this site is going to be, Trivandrum is a landmark. The Detailing Mafia Trivandrum is a landmark. It's some place you can get very, very. You can feel very safe about your cars, and the quality which we deliver over there is something which we have been delivering all across India now. So that is one. Second thing, can you tell us about how the journey has been for you to open the store and the experience that you have?
I will start with the initial stage. Once we were discussing about this outlet, so we were not having a pretty good idea about how to do it. We don't have it, but each and every step I have to take, I get opinions from our MD Kunal sir, and with Papa Rao is always our helping hand. Kunal also, we both were actually like, we are guiding, because they have started multiple stores pan India, and they have that much experience. So with that experience, we pitched every step, and that's how we ended up in inaugurating this much huge store in India, and especially in Trivandrum, because the people in Trivandrum is actually like, they are not. First of all, the main issue I faced was people are not willing to give their places for a long time lease. So that was the main thing I was facing during the initial stage. And after almost one or 2 months, we finally confirmed a location. And this is the current location. And that guy, the property owner, was pretty happy with what we were doing and our stuff, everything. He was pretty happy. So with that experience, not like an experience, with that, we kicked off our store, and so it was actually the most important and most hardest part of starting, finding the exact location. That is the important part, because the people should easily access to our locations. There shouldn't be any hardship to just reach our location. That's our predominant concern for us as well as the company also. So that is that. And with the support with the company authorities, I'm totally happy because I have received everything which is required at the time I need support. At the time I need support. So I'm very happy with the company as well as my partners. I have to mention their names also because there are tough times while we were joining the COVID kicked in, the fund shortages were there. So all the times they were there for helping us as well as the company.
Right. Thanks. That's high praise. And shout out to your partners and obviously to Papa Rao and Kunal sir because they have been there. I was very new to the company and things were again a lot haywire. Just hold on. Superb. So coming back to the points, you any other points you want to mention about support from the company?
We are already getting even more support from the company actually. So I can't complain a single word. So, but in the stage of the marketing, yesterday I called you and said a few things regarding it should reach more people. So I need a small support on that, and we are also doing it on our side also. So we can easily coordinate and make it reach people as early as possible. Because that's going to be much better, I guess.
Yeah. So for my consumer and my viewers watching, what Anoop is talking about is because the store is new. We keep on, trying new marketing strategies to, have as many consumers coming to the stores, and also that discussion we generally keep on doing with our franchisee owners. So that's planned for the next session that we'll be doing. So yeah, and I hope you received everything that you planned, that you signed for in our franchisee agreements and all those things.
I got almost it. Some of will be reaching in 2 or 3 days. It is out of stock at that time. So once it will reach, everything will be in place. No problems.
And what comparing us with other detailing brands would be like comparing apples to oranges, frankly speaking. But just can you give me a brief of what has been your purview about different brands that have been operating in Trivandrum and what we have been doing now?
No, I have to say with whole Kerala, I have to compare with the whole Kerala detailers. So Detailing Mafia, when Detailing Mafia came to Trivandrum, I had faced different issues from the local detailers, and I don't have to blame anyone because we are creating supercars and we are creating super results to the customer. So initially there will be some issues with them, but we really concentrate with all that stuff. But to be frank, we do the best detailing in Trivandrum, and in Kerala also we do the best detailing. And I don't want to compare with any other retailers because we stand out from any other. We do the perfect work and we follow the steps which the company gets how to do. That's how it should be. So we are not even trying to compare it with any detailer in the country.
Right. Yep. And any advice you have for our people who are planning to invest in this business post pandemic? Do you think any advice which would help them, get maximum out of their business, or help them decide to get into detailing and Detailing Mafia as a brand per se?
So I have advice that you should, for a person who is coming new to the Detailing Mafia, you should start with, if a person is having that much money to invest, always start the store with a paint booth. Because paint booth should be your predominant consideration. Because once I started the outlet, I came to know that with paint booth, the business is doubled. Because every day I get, even I don't have a paint booth. I'm planning it in the next 6 months actually. So we also need a paint booth. Paint booth is actually like
the heart and
part
soul.
And part. Yeah, it's a every day. As I say, every day we are getting inquiries for cars, especially for full painting. People will come to the outlet and say that you have to can you do the full painting of the car and give me a PPF or a ceramic coating? And similarly, people come to us and say, because they know we do the best work. Okay, so for the newcomers to the detailing mafia, I suggest them to go ahead with a paint booth. That will be the best thing they can do. And for the city also, they can get the people in city can get the best painting available with the most advanced technology and most superb results. That's the best thing we can offer. So with that service, we already have it. So always seize that technology. We have to use it, and we have to make money out of it. That's how it should be.
Right.
So we are actually planning on it. We should also do the paint booth as early as possible. That's what I have to say to all the newcomers.
Right. So for my viewers watching, just let me brief you about what Anup is. So I'll be getting into the detail about what Anup said is. This paint booth thing is again kind of an add-on, or maybe it actually is a business in itself. So paint booth is just not a paint booth; it's a denting, painting, the refurbishing of the surface of the car, the paints and all those things. We are the forerunner in this. We use the best quality products, the best quality infrastructure to apply paint on a car. What we do is we use paint by Glasurit, which is a German brand, which is used in a lot of OEM brands like Volkswagen and other brands, Audi,
BMW.
Yeah. So all those people use our brands. Plus, we basically are the pioneers of bringing peelable paint and spray-on PPF on cars to India. We use the brand Clarity Coat, which is again a flagship brand with us. That is something which is again a very futuristic concept. As of now, almost 2 or 3 players are only doing that in India, and we are basically the pioneers of it. We have mastered the technique of peelable paint and spray on PPF, and that is something which is helping us stand out of the crowd. So that's where Anup is coming in. That's what Anup is planning in another 2 to 3 months to come up. Not even 2 to 3 months, as soon as possible to come up with a paint booth.
Yep. We are planning it as early as possible because we already invested 60 lakhs and we should start pouring.
Right.
That's why I concentrated more on marketing in our side. So it will soon happen. No problem.
Right. So that is something what is very complementing to. Kind of it's a part of a detailing business only, that to have a paint booth, what it does is, if a panel is little dented or the paint has come off, we refurbish it and then we coat it. So what happens is your car is brand new. So people who love their car, they understand that their car needs to be at 100% show quality as much as possible. So that's where the paint booth provides them with that requirement. So yes, that is it. And apart from that, Anup, any feedback you have for our viewers about Detailing Mafia as a brand?
Okay, what I have to say is that the main thing, you have to always trust the company. They will never leave us. They will always support us. They have a backup solution for every your problems. So that's it. Because I've got many support from the company. I'm so happy with it.
That's high praise, Anup. Thanks a lot for that. I think we're ending this session over here with a good note. And again, I cannot, specify enough to the point that Anup and his team, Sivan, everybody is worked very, very hard, and they are very hardworking people. We have been, working as a family. It obviously started off as a, franchisee kind of a relationship. It became a partnership. Now it's like a family for us. Obviously, it has been with all our projects, right? We sometimes fight. We sometimes, get, bash our heads. But end of the day, we both and we all are working towards a common goal, which is giving the best possible quality and products to our consumers. And that's where both of all of us agree, and that's where we work as brothers in hand. And that has been a pleasure, because obviously the store is new, but the relationship with the team Trivandrum has been a long one, because we have seen a lot of adversities coming in from the force majeure of the world. But yes, what I can say is person, if he is looking to this video, be rest assured, if you come to Trivandrum chapter of Detailing Mafia, it's going to be a wonderful experience for anybody who goes over there, be it us as partners or be it you as a consumer. And that's something which is a big thing to say. Anup, it has been a pleasure talking to you.
Thank you.
We'll meet soon.